the 100th episode. I've seen it. It's massive. It feels like 4 massive plot lines going on at once. Give us a little hint of what's coming up. Last time we saw you, you fell into the earth.
Fell into the earth. There's something down there. There's a spoiler. Fall into something. Can you believe it? We both don't die at the end of that episode. Yeah, we fall into this room and then we find some stuff in there and like dust it off.
We're overseas, we're underground, and we're on a quest. And it's really, people are very excited. I haven't seen it, but I've heard it came out really well. And it was directed by our fearless leader, Norberto Barba. And his episodes tend to have a lot of energy and drive, and it was really fun to shoot, and we felt like we were satisfying part of the expectations of longtime fans, and that's very cool when you feel like you're giving the people what they want. So hopefully that's the case.
They don't hold back in the 100th episode, because we like to tease on our show for sure. I mean, 22 episodes a season, you gotta stretch some things out. But what I loved about the 100th episode, reading the script, I was like, oh, like you think, you see that happen, and you're like, oh, okay, well, I guess that's the biggie thing. Oh no, there's like 3 more huge developments, and delivering some major information in the 100th episode. I think I haven't seen the completed episode yet, but it was electric when we were doing it. We were having a blast. We have our showrunner directing it, and it just was kind of one of those perfect storms of awesomeness.
We are going after this character that is basically on a rampage. So Hank and Wu are definitely incredibly busy which I love. Hank, I was paired up with Hank earlier, like season 1 together, and it was so great to work with him again and feel that energy. So that was great, but the discovery that we make towards the end of the episode is it's game changer. It's a game changer, and it was done all together. And like I've said before, it made me feel like part of the Scooby Gang, part of the in crowd, part of the popular crowd. I know a secret, but that secret is about to come up.
She's kind of a loner, and she's been molded into this, the most powerful weapon in their arsenal. I do get to do some cool stuff, and I think the 100th episode, you really start to see just how powerful she is. She doesn't even need to morph. She just needs to look at someone, and havoc ensues.
Her storyline in the 100th episode, which I watched, very politically based at this point in time. Are we going to kind of see that continue? Because you're a little on the outside of what everybody else is working on.
Yeah, I've been on the outside. I have not been part of the gang this season as much. And what's going to happen now is that assassinations don't just happen, they're orchestrated, and I think they had a plan for me all along. And this plan will reveal itself in the next episode and will then continue through to the end of the season.
The 100th episode is really huge, and particularly for my character, it really is a game changer. I think that is about all I can say.